Hi, welcome back to my channel once again, BomarsHomes. This is where I share updates on construction engineering works and general updates on the built environment. Today I'll be discussing the cost of building a 4-bedroom duplex here in Nigeria in June 2025. For over 4 months now, the cost of some building material has been relatively stable. So today, as we normally do, we'll discuss the cost of building this 4-bedroom duplex. In our usual manner, we divide this process into 4 stages. Please bear in mind that we are already discussing the cost of carcass work only. What that means is the building itself, excluding the finishing works, electrical works, and plumbing works. So, stage 1 will be any works below the ground floor slab, popularly known as German floor. Stage 2 is from the ground floor slab all the way the lintel, the columns, and the block work for the ground floor, because this is a duplex. And stage 3 is first floor, the beam, the slab, column, lintel, block work, and the roof. While the 4th stage is the roof works. Under the roof works, we have the parapet wall, and we also have the carcass for the roof, and we also have the covering. Now, the features of this building: it has a main lounge and a family lounge upstairs, 3-bedroom upstairs, and 1-bedroom downstairs for the guest room. Dining, walk-in closet, kitchen, store, entrance, foyer, anteroom, terrace, guest toilet. So we are assuming that the water level for this project is kept below the foundation level, and the soil is a load-bearing soil. Now, our stage 1 for this construction, which is the works below the ground floor slab, popularly called the German floor, we will need 9 inches block, 1,210. That will cost 968,000. Cement to lay the blocks, 25 bags of cement. That cost us 262,500. Sharp sand to lay the blocks. So we will be buying using the 30-ton truck, 1 trip. That will cost us 250,000 naira. Then the concrete works, which is the blinding, the footings, the column base, and the column and the German floor, which is the ground floor slab itself. So we need 230 bags of cement to do all these concrete works. That will cost us 2,415,000 naira. Sharp sands for the concrete, we need 3 trips of 30 tons. That will cost 750,000 naira. And the granite, we need 2 trips. That will cost us 1,190,000 naira. Our 16 mm reinforcement for our columns, we need 13 lengths. That will cost 260,000 naira. 12 mm, that will cost us we need 197.4 lengths. That will cost us 2,310,000 naira. 10 mm for our stirrups, 5 lengths. That will cost us 41,353 naira 38 kobo. Binding wire, we need 2 rows, which is 90,000 naira. For our softwood to do our formwork, our 1x12, we need 33 pieces. That will cost 141,900. 2x2 for brazing, 60 pieces. That will cost 90,000 naira. 3 inches nails, 2 bags. That will cost 52,000 naira. 4 inches nail, 1 bag. That will cost 26,000 naira. Now we go to our filling. After the block works, now the next thing is for us to do our filling. Laterite, we need 9 strips. That will cost us 1,080,000 naira. Then our waterproofing, the nylon that we spread before we do our concrete slab, 108 kg. That will cost 172,800 naira. So our subtotal for stage 1 is 10,099,553 naira 38 kobo. So we add 5% contingencies to this cost. The total will give us 604,531 naira 5 kobo. So this cost will break down to pounds, euros, and dollar. It will cost 6,274 euro. While pounds, it will cost 5,316 pounds, and dollar $6,909 to construct this stage 1. Now we are moving to stage 2 for this construction, which is our column, lintel, and block work. For the ground floor, we need 9 inches block, 2,210 pieces of block. That will cost 1,768,000 naira. We need 6 inches for our partitioning in toilet area, 850. So that will cost 595,000 naira. Cement to lay these blocks, 62 bags of cement. That will cost 651,000 naira. Sharp sand to lay the blocks, 2 trips. That will cost us 500,000 naira. Now to our concrete wall, which is our column and lintels. Cement, we need 45 bags of cement. That will cost 472,500. Sharp sand, 1 trip, 250,000 naira. Granite, 1 trip, 595,000 naira. Our 16 mm reinforcement for our column, 25 length, that will cost 500,000 naira. 12 mm for our lintels, that will cost 14 lengths, that will cost 163,829 naira 79 kobo. 10 mm for our stirrups, that is the links, 6 length, that will cost 49,624 naira 6 kobo. So binding wire 1 row, 45,000 naira. So for our formwork, we need 1x12, 2x3. Since we have used this item in stage 1, we will reuse what we have in stage 1. So there's no need to buy 1x12 and 2x3 again. Definitely we need to buy nail. So we buy 1 bag of 3 inches nail for 26,000 naira and 1 bag of 4 inches nail, 26,000 naira. Then we buy bamboo for support in our lintel, 20 pieces. That will cost 20,000 naira. So our subtotal for stage 2 is 5,661,953 naira 85 kobo. So we add 5% contingency to this cost. The contingency is allowed to cover an unforeseen cost, So this will help you to offset some expenses that you didn't plan for doing the construction. So by the time we add that to it, the total will be 5,945,051 naira 54 kobo. So we also take that, break it down to euro, pounds, and dollars. For euro, it will be 3,517, while for pounds it will be 2,980, and for dollar it will be 3,873. Now we move to our stage 3 for this construction of 4-bedroom duplex here in Nigeria in June 2025. Our stage 3, this is where we are going to do a lot of work. So we do the beams, the roof beam, the column, the lintels, the block work. So we are actually going to do a lot of works in this stage 3. So our 9 inches blocks, we need 2,115 blocks. That will cost 1,692,000 naira. And we need 6 inches blocks also for our partitioning in the toilet area. 700 pieces of this, or 1,030 blocks of 6 inches. That will cost 721,000 naira. Cement to lay the blocks, 63 bags of cement, 661,500. Sharp sand to lay the blocks, 2 trips, 500,000 naira. Now to our concrete works, which is our beams, lintel, column, slab. Cement, we need 270 bags of cement for all this concrete work. That will cost 2,835,000 naira. Sharp sand for this concrete work, 4 trips, 1 million naira. Granite, 3 trips, 1,785,000 naira. 16 mm reinforcement for our column, 25 length, 25 length, 500,000 naira. 12 mm reinforcement, 329 length, 3,850,000 naira. 10 mm for our links, which is our stereo, 25 length, 206,766 naira 92 kobo. 3 rows of binding wire, 135,000 naira. Our 1x12 wood, which we are going to use to do the formwork for the slabs and the beams, 170 pieces. That is 721,000 naira. 2x3 for bracing, 65 pieces, 97,500 naira. 3 inches nail, 2 bags, 52,000 naira. 4 inches nail, 1 bag, 26,000 naira. Bamboo, 200 pieces, 200,000 naira. Our total for stage 3 is 14,992,766 naira 92 kobo. We will allow 5% contingencies to this cost. The total will give us 15,742,405 naira 26 kobo. We also break this down to convert this to euro, pounds, and dollar. For euro, it will be 9,314. While for pounds, it will be 7,892. And for dollar, it will be 10,256. The last stage, which is our parapet wall, roof carcass, and roof covering. For our parapet wall, we need 810 pieces of 9 inches block for the perimeter. That is 648,000 naira. Cement to lay this block, 17 bags, 178,500. Sand, 1 trip, 250,000 naira. For our carcass work, 2x2, 154 pieces, 184,800. 2x4, 59 pieces, 106,200. 3x4, 48 pieces, 144,000 naira. 2x3, 88 pieces, 132,000 naira. For our nails, 3 inches nail, 3 bags, 78,000 naira. 4 inches nail, 2 bags, 52,000 naira. For our covering, our log span aluminium roofing sheet, 132 square meters. That would be 884,400 naira. And names, silicone accessory, and other accessory, 137,082 naira. Our total for stage 4 is 2,794,982 naira. We also allow 5% contingencies to this cost. It will be, the total will give us 2,934,710 naira 10 kobo. We break this down, convert this to euro, pounds, and dollar. For euro, it will be 1,736. While for pounds, it will be 1,471. And for dollar, it will be 1,912 to do this stage 4. Now, our general summary for the construction of this 4-bedroom duplex. Mind you, this particular design is suitable for someone who wants to build on a half plot of land. What you have is just an half plot, this is a very good design that fitting into that size of land. So our general summary for the construction of this 4-bedroom duplex. Basically, this is the cost of building a 4-bedroom duplex in Nigeria in 2025. For your drawing, for advice, for assessment, for inspection, anything regarding construction, building, we are here to serve you. Even if you are buying a building and you want us to help you assess the building, so that you could, base your judgment on our decision to make a counter offer to the offer that you have already, we can as well do that for you. If you want us to help you design your building, prepare a cost, give you a budget, prepare your cash flow, we can do all of that for you. If you need any details, the number will be displayed on the screen. Please, you can WhatsApp or call us directly. We are here to serve you. Thank you.